how to create a great ad. Hey, it's Galinda here from Mr. Marketing. I'm currently on a train right now. I've spotted an ad. Here's why this ad is better than this ad. By the way, here are the 3 things an advert must have, whether it's offline or online. Hook, story, offer. You need to capture people's attention in an ad, get them to find out more, and then tell them what to do next. Here's an example of a good ad. You see the hook, a question. Questions focus the brain. Hook is looking for a better night's sleep. That automatically gets you to want to answer it. Then you're interested in the story. What are they promoting? The promoting is discover, boom, boom, boom. That gets you to want to know more. And then finally, ask your pharmacist to know more. So straight away, that person's gonna take a note and walk into the pharmacy and buy that. That's what creates a good ad. You can see here, this isn't such a good ad. Why? Because it doesn't necessarily hook you straight away. However, what they're implying is that if you're interested in Jesus Christ, that's what will capture your attention. Then you'll read the story and then you will do the next thing you want them to do. That's how you create a great ad. Hook, story, offer. It's Galinda here from Mr. Marketing. If you need any help with marketing, make sure you like our page, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you on the other side. I better put on my